Hey guys, if you have a minivan and it looks like this, that's bad. There's no excuse for that. That's terrible. But do me a favor, come up close. Okay, this is a horrible paint job. I mean, this is road chip, and this is flaky clear coat coming off, and then the clear coat came off here. You got exposed color base coat. The best thing to do is get this thing repainted. Go ahead and pan back. Okay, but I'm going to show you something you can do in the meantime. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner. I'm going to put some on right here, and what I want to do is just clean it up and make it look better. Okay, do me a favor, pan in so that they can see what I'm about to do. Okay, so here there's clear coat, there's base coat, there's all kinds of, it's a mess. But if I do this, if I simply clean it, I'm not waxing, this is not wax, it's cleaner. Then I can bring it back. Well, I mean, I can bring back what's still left, what still remains. Okay, look at that. So again, if you have an ugly paint job and it's doing this, clean it. If you clean it, it'll look better than what it looks like right now. Okay, this is so much better than what it was. Look at that. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit more. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but at least it looks better. And don't be alarmed if you see paint coming off. It's okay. It's just the oxidation. Remember that the first step is to clean it, and then you seal it. Okay. So all I'm doing is cleaning. There we go. Now I'm going to use a sealer. So the first step is to clean it with the Lukat Fix It. Second step, you want to seal it. Work this in. Man, it just gets soaked in. It's funny when you use this product, it like some of these paint jobs, it just like it soaks it up. So this is a sealer wax. It's gonna dry, leave a nice tough glossy shell. This paint job's in horrible shape, but at least you can do something for it, you know? You can clean it up, and if it's not, doesn't have the road chip, if it's not peeling but it's hazy, you can still bring it back. Can you see the difference from there, Ben?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the shine? Look at that. This looks a little better than that. Go and pan back. Okay. And it's not just for that. You see the head? I'm gonna do the headlight too right now. Can you see the headlight? Okay. So I'm gonna put some on the headlight. That's the cleaner, the yellow bottle. And then what I'm gonna do is just clean, just like I did the paint. Remember, this is cleaner, not wax. This is gonna remove all that buildup. It removes embedded contaminants chemically as opposed to cutting it. Look how nice and clear that is now. Wow. Okay. You catching that? All right, so I don't know if you guys, it's just something a lot of people ask me, because that's a horrible paint job, man. That is terrible. But you can use this product to bring back what remains. I mean, look how much color's still there. It's kind of bleached right here and stuff, but I mean, compared to what it is, bless me. Anyways, you can, if you clean it up, it'll look better. Okay, but this one has got so much chips, it's destroyed. But I mean, if I had to drive around in this, I'd at least clean it up. I'd probably put a primer over it, but clean up the rest, because the rest of the paint job's like that too. So for minivans, guys, I'm telling you that those things go horrible when you don't take care of them. And this is something you can use on the headlight lenses, on the paint, the good remaining color, bring it back, and the windows. If you have the dust streaks on the windows when they go up and down, driver's side, passenger side, that'll clear it up too. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Thank you very much. Make this your year, guys. Later.